Next question.
Yeah.
You know how this goes. You know, you'll
Yeah.
end up seeing 2 bites.
So I thought I signed something that said you're going to use everything I write, everything I said, even with the bumpy bits.
Right.
I'll probably still be up at 2 grannies trying to finish my fucking book. Yeah, if you really want to know. And I probably won't have any rye crackers left because you guys ate them all. The sort of, it's inside out and the upside down, and it's the local people. What is it? The bottom up and the top down. Yeah. 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 Well, yeah. No, we're just here to help. Yeah. Just like the State Department.
We're on the waterfront in Tofino. What do you think, man? This is not a quiet place.
So the concept of the Field Study Center was born.
Can we pause for a sec? Tape change.
Oh, that's pretty short. You figure digital goes forever.